YouTube, this is your girl Nekinna, and today is gonna be me against nature. Kind of already tired. So if I survive this, I need to give myself a diploma or something. Whew. These people be walking like they've run marathons for 20 years. And here I am in the back, struggling to breathe for every step that I take. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna definitely do it. Yes, I am. I spotted Rambo! Rambo is with us! That means we are safe, people! We are safe!
I'm on dangerous ground. This is some serious... Oh, yeah. I made it. Of course I did. Ooh. This is some dangerous shit. Yeah? There's some dangerous thing. Ooh, it's wet. Ooh, I'm gonna get so wet. Yeah, but I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna make it. But what am I supposed to do? It's like, I'm gonna sink into it. Swim. Oh, I'm gonna get so wet on this trip. It's not even funny. Oh. Yep, I can already feel it. What am I supposed to do though? My sister's just laughing at me. She's thinking she's not gonna survive this trip. But I'm gonna prove them wrong. Oh, I'm already wet! Yeah! Oh no!
Guys, I thought I heard something. Oh, that's... Stop! Watch out! Okay. Okay, we good. Let's go. Okay, I'm still alive. Barely. If I can even make it out of this jungle alive. Okay, guys. So all of this is like really, it's like really wet. And I'm soaking wet already. So this whole place is filled with swamps.
Can I eat this? Blueberries, ain't it? Ooh, mushroom. This is outrageous.
Okay guys, I'm still in the game. Haven't seen any of the others yet. But I'm sure I can hear someone. Where are they? Where are they? I don't see anyone. Okay, let me proceed. Where am I supposed to go? West, east, north? I don't even know where it is. Follow the sun. Where's the sun? Ah, there's clouds. What am I supposed to do? Okay. Follow your instincts. Follow your instincts. My instincts are gonna kill me. Oh my god. Okay. Okay. I'll be fine. I'll be okay. I'll be okay. Alright. Just keep telling yourself that. And you're gonna be fine. like I'm gonna die. This is torture. Mom, why did you bring me here? Oh my God, oh man. Okay. Well, shit though, like we say in Norwegian, we're still alive. Okay guys, so we're down back from the mountain and believe it or not, I survived. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe, and I'll subscribe you back like the good girl that I am.
Party girls, don't get hurt, can't feel anything. When will I learn? I push it down, push it down.